This video explains how to buy shares of BKYI International Inc., a biometric authentication company focused on fingerprint recognition and identity solutions. BKYI trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BKYI, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To purchase BKYI, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker BKYI to find BKYI International Inc. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is BKYI International Inc. Check that the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads BKYI before moving on. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and set alerts. For the example platform used in this video, find the link in the description below.